Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This video is about putting on new wheels from Fitment Industries, replacing those stock wheels, keeping the same tires, the stock tires, because they still have good tread life, and I enjoy these tires. They're pretty quiet. Anyways, I took them to Midas here in Barstow, California, and they were able to help me out in an hour or so before they were closed. My boy Bobby there, right there, balancing the wheels and tires. As you can see, the tires, there are 235s, 45s, but it looked like it still gave it that little poke. These wheels are Anovia Titans, 18 by 9.5. It's a plus 35, and they look really good. Like from the rear to the front, they look really good. They do not rub at all. No rub, no modifications, all stock suspensions and everything. So it was perfect. 18 by 9.5 was perfect. I thought it would rub, but it didn't rub. So yeah, it was like around 4 p.m. that I got it yesterday. I chased down the UPS truck to get it because they were gonna deliver around 7, and Midas, they closed around 5. I got there. These guys are really good. Their service is really good. The manager Kenny and Boii Bobby and some of the other guys there were willing to stay back, and they were like almost to an hour later till they were done with it because they had to do it right. They also were very generous to give me a new TPMS because the stock TPMS didn't fit. So they gave me a new TPMS, and they charged me really good. It's actually like a good price. It was $117 for all 4 wheels and tires, be mounted and balanced. And yeah, these are the results right here. Check it out. They look pretty well, look pretty dope. That's without the car being washed. I'm gonna add more footage on how it looked like when it's washed. All right, appreciate your time, and enjoy the rest of you guys' day. Thank you for tuning in, and